Okay, g'day everyone. I'm with Barb. Oh, g'day, it's Dave. And Nicky's around here somewhere. But I'm with Barb.
Hi guys.
Barb's a friend of mine, and she's just started her online business.
Yes.
And now tell me, Barb, why you want to hold that mic up a little bit closer? That's good. There's so much background music here.
Yeah.
And you hear people scraping stools on the balcony here. It could have been a better setting, I know.
Yes.
However, this is Barb's first video, and
So bear with me.
so I just want to ask her why you started an online business.
Well, okay, Dave. Yeah.
You can talk into the mic now.
Well, to start off with, I'm been retired for the last 12 months. And going crazy in a sense, but my main reason is I haven't sort of been in the workplace for that long, so superannuation is very limited on my side of things. And one thing I wanted to do was find a rewarding job, but not to be tied up for many hours of work. So the online marketing was what I was very much interested in, and finding one that I have now that you get all the support you need. There is no selling. You just help, and you help others to also
Market.
I found that this was a really good way to go to help fund my retirement eventually now. Be my superannuation, as well as to be able to help other people in my position and my age group to achieve things in their life and be able to have a more rewarding and easier lifestyle.
Okay.
Pretty much.
Okay, well, back in your working day, you're a bus driver and a truck driver, weren't you?
Oh, I was everything. You know.
From Mount Isa, which is, for anyone that doesn't know Australia, it's 18 hours drive through the desert.
Yeah. sort of.
And,
there are little towns.
And there's not much else there,
No.
apart from a mine and a factory. Anyway,
yeah.
So you're saying that you went into this online business because there was no selling?
Of course, no selling.
It's not multi-level marketing.
No.
And even when you're technically challenged,
Yes.
it's not an issue because most of it's done for you.
That's exactly right.
And you've got someone to give you a hand to learn how to do marketing,
Very much
online
so.
marketing, whether it be Facebook or YouTube or blogging or whatever it is, and you've got someone to give you a hand.
There's always help there along the way.
Okay, so I think you did very well in your first video. What do you reckon, guys? Anyway, there might be a link below to find out a little bit more about what Barb does. Oh, you haven't got your name tag on.
I have.
We've just been in a 3-day online business summit, and we just finished a section on shooting videos. And this is not the most perfect one. As you can see, the noise, the background, how light it is behind us. I'm not even holding the camera very still. The background music. We did everything wrong. However, the idea was it was just practice for Barb. Anyway, click the link below, and you can find a little bit more about what Barb does.
That sounds
okay.
That's great.
Cheers, everyone.
Can't
Bye.
wait to see you. Bye.
You think they're still there?
I think they might be.
Oh, I think they haven't clicked the button below. Okay.
Down below,
Okay.
just click that button.
Cheers. See you guys.
Cheers. Bye.